last 3 years, some special experiences. Mr. Sumit Roy.
Thanks, Abdullah. Yeah, I've been loving doing this quiz. One, because I hold Anurag Batra and Exchange for Media in high regard, and he has been doing very innovative stuff. And Exchange for Media has, see, all properties like this take time to become stronger and stronger, and they have been backing it. What has been happening is, I always find it a bit of an education. So, you guys will find out your media quotient just out of the entry, the elimination questions. If this year you scored 16 out of 20, you should be looking at 18 out of 20 next year, because then you know that your media quotient is increasing. So in that sense, yes, I've always very happily given in time, and I find that a little bit of 1,000 rupee donation for meditation is well spent, because now he's just given me a game I can use in my workshops. So thank you very much. Okay. In fact, this is one of my favorite tricks in any case in doing it, and it does get the brain thinking. It's been a pleasure, and it's going to be, last year, Jayashree was persuaded to be one of the quiz masters, and as you know, most of you know, Jayashree is quite a name in the quizzing circles in Calcutta. So I'm delighted that I'm going to be joined by Jayashree again, this time. And Abdullah, whenever you're ready, anything else that you want to add, or shall we go? We'll get in. Come, Jayashree, come. So let me quickly tell you, Jayashree, that you wanted to say something? Okay. How this is, yeah? How this is going to go. You have 20 questions. Yes, the ones that get the highest score will come on board, but you'll find that there are star-marked questions on 5, 10, 15, and 20. So in case there is a tie, we will break the tie by whoever got the 20th question right on the tie. And if that doesn't work out, if there's still a tie, the 15th question, the 10th question, or the 5th question. Therefore, obviously, 5, 10, 15, 20, be very careful, because it might mean a seat here and your chance to go to Bombay. Okay? You wanted to look, you wanting some kind of support to write on? Rough sheet. You won't have time for a rough sheet. Just use the magazine as a rough sheet. All right?
Oops, you can't say that. They're the sponsor.
Sorry? What can't I say?
Use the magazine as a rough sheet.
Oh. But this is known as interactivity with the magazine. Now you make the magazine interactive. Okay. All right. How we're going to do it is that Jayashree is going to ask one question. The number of the question will be up over there. Once we move on, we're not going to repeat the question. Once we move on, we're not going to come back to the question. We will watch out for you people to have got the answer. However, we're not going to wait too long, and we'll move on to the next question. So Jayashree is going to ask one, I'm going to ask one, and that way we're going to go through 20 questions. Our suggestion is write down the answers. You can, if you like, write in rough. But after the questions, we will give you at the most a minute to put in your final answers, and then take away your question sheets forevermore. You cannot touch it again. And we will go through the counting of the questions. While that happens, here's something interesting. Even the participants can participate in the open quiz, which is for individuals. You'll all be given a sheet of paper, and we'll go through the open quiz. But right now, it's for the participants who've paid up and are competing to be in Bombay, representing Calcutta. So good luck to all the participants. Jayashree, the first question.
It's up. Thank you again, sponsors Amar Ujala, Imami, My FM, Open Magazine, and here in Kolkata, the Public Relations Society. Thank you. First question of the prelims. Easy to warm up. RAM was a service launched by Nielsen Media Research in collaboration with IMRB International in 2007. What does RAM stand for?
What does RAM stand for? And we're ready for question 2. What are these parts of a newspaper called? You can give it in one word or 2 words. What are these parts of a newspaper called? Audience, if you know the answer, please don't even whisper it. And we're ready for question 3.
What portmanteau word, dated by the Merriam-Webster Dictionary to 1946, is used to describe a media feature designed to look like a legitimate and independent news story? You see it all the time. Paid media feature masquerading as legitimate independent news. And it's a portmanteau word.
Okay, everybody's quite excited. They've got that answer. And we
Probably
have
got all 3 answers. So
yeah, all 3 answers. And we've deliberately made the first few questions quite easy so that you're all warmed up. And we're ready for question 4. In typography, what are these protrusions at the end of letters called? And we want the correct spelling. In typography, what are these protrusions at the end of letters called? And please don't make a typographical error in the spelling.
are you ready for question 5? Audimeter was an electronic device used to record radio and television audiences' time spent on different channels. This was developed in 1936. This was the first method devised to estimate popularity of radio and TV programs. Which company developed the Audimeter? Even if you don't know, it's highly, highly workoutable.
This is a star question. It might be a tiebreaker.
We don't want you to go back with 0, so you would have got the first 4. Now it starts getting progressively uphill. You ready for number 6? Yes?
Number 6. Which company was formed when Barton, Durston and Osborne merged with the Baton Company in 1928? Which company was formed when Barton, Durston and Osborne merged with the Baton Company in 1928? The Madison team knows all of it. Yeah, okay. And
Madison teams. There are 4 teams,
teams.
right? And question 7. Which channel available on 106.2 FM positions itself as the radio station built for Kolkata by Kolkatans?
Oh. Right? 8. We're going to show you an ad. You have to say the ad for which publication. Watch the ad. Sound.
से आया तू रब्या का फातू ही आया तू प्रेजेंट गवर्नमेंट के मनारफिया होती बेरोजगारी चिकनगुनिया मकरा वस्ट रसोदहा आंदोलन पार्टी मका किया बरसात साल भाई प्रेजेंट करके सामने भाई मानिस में करता दूंगा संखेंगे ड्रिंकिंग वाटर देश के नाधुई चासी शानदार रेलवे स्टेशन दबना जाएगा तो हासिलपुर से दिल्ली हासिलपुर से दुबई सिंगापुर जगह पहुंचो एयरपोर्ट वापस दूंगा
That was an ad for which publication? That was question 8. Moving on to question 9.
We all love these topical Amul ads. Get creative. What are the blanked out words?
Words. You have to get all the words right. And that team is meditating. They're meditating for the answer. Okay. We're moving on to the start question 10. Another video. I'm just going to check before we put it on. We'll just take some of the lights down and just keep the house lights on for the video. Yeah, that's good.
For everything.
Yeah, well, they later need to see. For the video, just do that. Go ahead, play the video, please.
We are now 3 months into the year of our Lord, 2023. At this moment in our civilization, we can create cybernetic individuals who, in just a few short years, will be completely indistinguishable from us. Which leads to an obvious conclusion. We are the gods now. For those of you who know me, you will be aware by now that my ambition is unlimited. You know that I will settle for nothing short of greatness, or I will die trying. For those of you who do not yet know me, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Peter Wayland, and if you'll indulge me, I'd like to change the world.
A viral marketing video for Prometheus is not the answer. That's part of the question. The real question is, at which conference is he speaking? At which conference is he speaking? This is a starred question. Okay.
Moving
Question
on
11.
to question 11. Back to basics. Print, CMYK. C stands for cyan, M for magenta, Y for yellow. What does K stand for?
Oh, it's a headache question. Oh, I see. Okay, this one is easy. Okay, fair enough. All right. We're ready for number 12 then. Which TV channel was launched as a replacement for the channel Star One in December 2011? Which TV channel was launched as a replacement for the channel Star One in December 2011? 13.
Whose logo? Simple, visually evocative.
A part answer will not be accepted. And we're ready for question 14. iRemedy Corp is an Atlanta-based firm that has teamed up with the Indian firm ACK Media to offer the latter's products on iOS through a panel-by-panel reading experience. What does ACK stand for? What does ACK stand for? And we're ready for question 15.
Oh boy, maths. What algorithm is this? I want a complete answer. And remember, we're looking for your media quotient.
We'll let you stare at that algorithm for some time. And remember, it's a starred question. So it could be a tiebreaker. You have